well, welcome everyone. We are heading to my real estate shoot that I have here just a few miles north of where I live in Georgetown, Texas. So this is just gonna be a little journey of my everyday drive in a Tesla to my work, and we'll see how it goes. That looks like it's sideways. It doesn't look right. Now it's time to shoot. Just finished shooting the house and now we're going home. Yay, the fun part. Now, to go over a few things that I had in the comments, some viewers asking, one thing they asked was, did I really get a Tesla with free full self-driving? And I will say that technically it probably wasn't free, although I did buy this Tesla used, and it did come with full self-driving included in the price. So just to clarify, you know, exactly what this was, this deal was and I bought this through Tesla, through the used inventory, and it was $46,000 for Tesla Model 3 long range with acceleration boost, with full self-driving package included, and with the sport rims, and then the blue, metallic blue paint. I think also premium interior. I don't know if that was an option at the time. For $46,000. So I felt like it was a pretty good deal. It has 90,000 miles on it. That was the maybe, and a couple of scratches and a dent on the side over here. And maybe that was the main reason. Let's go ahead and get into full self-driving. Sorry, got a little off key there while I was chatting away. The automatic lane change, which But here in Austin, that is way too much space ahead of you. Normally, so it would be bad. It's a little hectic next to single 18-wheelers. So but we seem to do just fine. Go ahead and do a change lane here. Maybe go all the way. There we go. Okay. Little hesitation there. We'll let off the accelerator a little bit. See, it's about to want to change. I honestly don't want it to do that. Just stay here. Now this is going to be a tricky part because I know it's going to want to get into the right lane, but I do not want to get into the right lane right here because the traffic gets so bad on the entrance ramp that we're coming up to. So I'm hoping that it waits until afterwards, or else I'm gonna have to continuously, no, see, I don't want it to do that. Don't do it, just stay right there. There we go. I wonder if there's a way to just cancel it without doing the turn signal. Or maybe I should just not confirm. Yeah, confirm. Just keep on. Okay, here we go. Just don't do it. This is hectic. Right it said no. It said no. It's okay though. We'll just hop right back on. We'll give it a shot number 2. Alright. Let's try it. Right here. Oh god. Oh dear. I think I did it.